We are at Predjama Castle, about 9 kilometers away from Postojna, cave and city. And this was built way back in 1274. It's nestled under a rock arch to make it harder to access. And it's built in Gothic style and was expanded over the years. So let's check out this cool castle. Look right there, the top of the castle to the left. There's some people on this like outcropping. I have no idea how they got there. That is cool. It's a cute little drawbridge here. Look at this. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. Alright, we're headed to the top of the castle. Get my stair climbing exercise in today. Okay. Wow, look at this bed. That's probably how they used to sleep, with the straw and canvas. Scratchy canvas. This is some of the defenses here with these small windows so you can shoot out. You can hear my voice change. Look at that. This is for pouring oil down on invaders. Hot oil, burning oil, not nice oil. My brother keeps correcting me. This is where they heat the oil before they pour it. Pretty insane. All right, let's check out the toilet. So back in the day, see how the toilet, so we're in this little room here, and this hangs over the side of the castle. So it doesn't hold everything in here. It actually just goes straight down into the cavern. So you go to the bathroom and you poop, and it just falls outside and then gets washed away. I think he's friends with Chandler from Air Force One because he's not doing anything. He's just sitting there. This is actually the courtroom. That's a small little, oh, look at this dungeon. Look at all, this is not even, this is like my shoulder. That's like 5 feet. Here we have the torture chamber. Oh my God. How crazy. So you would sit up here and watch them get tortured. And there's the guy. Oh my God, he's got that pommel horse thing, which I heard about. There's the guy down there. There's the torturer, mass torture. Jesus. Absolutely insane. Here we have the dining room. All right, here's the kitchen. Look at these. Oh, here's the toilet. Here's another toilet. Nice terrace up here, huh? I know. It's pretty cool. People are dying going up these stairs. We are now at the highest point of the castle, at that lookout that I showed you guys from down below, and the best views. There are a ton of stairs here. This castle is huge, so if you're out of shape, you don't have to go all the way to the top, but you may want to do some stair climbing beforehand to get used to it. Master bedroom. It's nice. There's a chapel. We're going the wrong direction? The castle chaplain's quarters. But look at how short this guy is. I don't think this is a standard sized twin. More stairs. Look at these guys. Ready for battle. It's pretty hardcore how they had to wear all that. Look at all the pole arms. We got halberds. And I forgot all the rest. Pickaxes? No. Pole axes, halberds. And I forgot the ones that are just have they're like a spear, but they're not. They're called something else. Let's be annoying. That's enough. It's cute. This is a cute cannon. Might be ceremonial. Look at the caves. Oh wow, you can actually go in there? What the heck? I don't know what's up with this. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. I'm not a spelunker. Hello. Hello.
Well, they must know what here the guy got killed.
Excuse me. Alright, this is pretty insane. Crazy. There's actually a ladder up here going even further up. I wonder what's up there. This is officially the highest point, not the other spot. Let's go see what's up here. It looks like another well. It's so high. Check this out. Pretty freaky, huh? Water just splashed on my forehead. This is pretty cool. So water drips down from the roof into here. That's fresh water for them to drink. Here's the Knights Hall. We're actually almost done. There aren't a lot of bedrooms in here. I think a lot of the bedrooms have been converted to private for modern, because there's some doors that are closed. Because we didn't really see a lot of bedrooms. Now we're going to see the best part of the castle. Yes. The souvenir shop. I really loved this as a kid. And this slingshot's pretty cool. Look, I caught an axolotl. All done with Predjama Castle. I really like this one compared to other castles because they showed more about castle life back in the day, whereas a lot of the other castles, they convert them to museums, and there's like a lot of art and stuff that's not necessarily related to that time period. So a must see if you ever come to Slovenia. Definitely worth it. Just beware all the stairs. Catch you guys soon.